Hi, Tom Varsity, Military Embedded Systems. I'm at Exponential 2024 in San Diego. Again, I'm at the RTI booth, and I'm with Julie. How are you, Julie?
Good. How are you, Tom?
I'm doing great. So, Julie's going to talk to us about RTI's Connect, but also, this is your first show that you've been at Exponential.
Yeah.
Tell me what you've been seeing at the show.
Yeah. So, a big question that I saw here at Exponential is how can we build cheaper and more specialized unmanned systems that, when you deploy in swarms, can actually achieve the same outcomes as a traditional monolithic warfare system, but without risking the human lives. And another big question I saw was like, how can we drive the speed of innovation in defense systems? And to me, the answer is Connext can help drive the speed of innovation as well as help developers achieve some of these capabilities really easily and overcome these challenges really easily. So what Connext provides is this communication capabilities that developers can use to integrate diverse systems very seamlessly. So you get the data where it needs to be, when it needs to be, and then developers don't need to worry about the communication part of it. They can focus on the specialized functions that the unmanned system needs to provide, and so this makes it very cost effective. So essentially, what Connext is providing is this very robust and reliable communication between, say, drones in a swarm that provides it a real-time data sharing and collaboration. So be it sharing like sensor data or coordinating the different maneuvers or updating the tactics on the fly. Connext gives you the capability to do all of this very easily so that every drone in a swarm, for example, can be in sync. So I think like developers here, they can leverage Connext to not only build cheaper and more innovative unmanned systems, but they can also use it to create this ecosystem of unmanned systems that can rapidly evolve and just achieve greater functions.
Yeah,
So yeah.
that's great. So, RTI, when it comes to swarms, in many different applications, RTI is the leader in that.
Yes, we have many different uh, applications of autonomous systems, unmanned systems across defense, across commercial applications. So we have seen quite a few of these things, and we can help developers get better speed, better innovation. So yeah.
Right. Well, thank you very much for explaining about Connext and also about the autonomous industry that RTI is involved in.
Yeah.
How can people get more information?
So go to rti.com. We offer a free trial product. You can just easily click on the icon, download our product, and try it for yourself. So we don't need to do the speaking. Our product can do the speaking. You download the product and get started. So yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Thanks, Tom.